Welcome to this fabulously remodeled English Tudor home in the desirable Alameda-Beaumont neighborhood. You can walk to Beaumont shops and restaurants, and it's close to excellent schools and a park. The inviting covered front porch is ready for quiet evenings. Head inside and discover an elegantly remodeled interior, exuding style and sophistication, while maintaining its original character. From the gorgeous hardwood floors to the new Marvin leaded glass windows, no detail is overlooked. The complete kitchen remodel includes a wonderful, sunny and bright breakfast nook, a Viking gas range, beautiful granite counters, a tile backsplash, and stainless appliances. With more than 3,000 square feet, this home has plenty of space, including 4 bedrooms and 3.5 baths. On the upper level, the expansive master suite is a private retreat with a sitting area and 2 closets, plus a full bath. And you'll find 2 additional upstairs bedrooms, plus a fully remodeled bathroom. The spacious lower-level family room with built-ins and speakers is perfect for movies or a playroom. The fenced yard features new landscaping, rose bushes, and a sprinkler system. Other features include new HardiePlank siding, a new gas furnace and water heater, and a newer presidential roof. A classic Portland home in a fantastic neighborhood. It's all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your own personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582 or email steve@nassarteam.com. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.